Shops and cafes at Belfast Grand Central Station were plunged into darkness on Monday. Here's what we know in 60 seconds. If you were coming through the station on the way home from work, hoping to grab something for dinner, you may have found yourself stuck. Outlets in the newly built transport hub were shut. There was a notice on the door of Marks & Spencer's Food telling customers that the store would be closed until further notice. Meanwhile, next door, Pret had a similar sign. Starbucks and Brewdog were also closed. Speaking on Monday evening, a worker at the station said they weren't told why. He said, "We came into work today, the shops were closed, and we don't know anything." TransLink has since told the Irish News that some retailers were impacted by a loss of power due to an electrical fault. But all other displays, lighting and ticket barriers were functioning fine. It's not clear what caused the fault, but construction is ongoing in the area. It's as workers hope to complete the Boyne Place phase of the project in time for the busy period. Good news for this evening's commuters though, all retailers have since reopened.